Minimize, make it easy. Hello there, I'm John Garner, Head of Sustainability, Innovation and Design here at Antalis Packaging in the UK. Well, I think the first part of this is sourcing. We really do need to make sure that if we're using a paper-based solution, for example, we have to make sure that the paper comes from sustainable forestry. Here in the UK, for example, every paper product we supply is either FSC or PEFC certified. This means that we're actually getting things from sustainable forestry. So for every tree we cut down, for example, we guarantee we plant at least 3 or 4 more. Design elements are really key in this as well, because actually 80% of a product's carbon footprint, any product, not just packaging, is defined at the point of design. The largest element of this, over 50%, is to do with manufacture and distribution, and then its end of life. So what that means is that if we can minimise the amount of material we use in manufacturing, we're reducing the overall carbon footprint really significantly. The other element, of course, is its end of life. We have to ensure that products that we supply and our customers use are easy to dispose of in a responsible way, are recyclable, and therefore have a really low carbon footprint. We create waste in every operation we do in life, and unfortunately, all packaging products, at the end of their lifetime, at the end of their useful life cycle, they're actually waste. So, minimize, make it easy. Make everything where possible recyclable and use responsible materials in the first place. If we can produce a product, the packaging for it has to work. It has to get from A to B in one piece successfully. Every single item that's damaged has to be replaced. So let's look at that. We send one product out, it gets delivered successfully, fantastic. If it doesn't, it has to be returned and another product is then sent out. Now the carbon footprint of that is at least 3 times higher than us getting it right in the first place. So the first thing we look for in every design solution is, quite simply, it has to work. Well, happily, we've been on a 10-year journey here at Antalis in the UK, and during that decade, we've actually managed to reduce our operational CO2 footprint by over 75%. How have we done it? Well, we make sure that all our energy, for example, the energy we're using now to record this video and light this building, all comes from renewables. We make sure that our fleets run on biodiesel and low carbon diesel wherever possible. Our delivery fleet that goes into the centre of London is electric, zero emissions. We're currently on the journey of fitting electric charging points to all our distribution centres across the UK. Our sales fleet is becoming more and more hybrid and electric, and the plan for 2024 is we're putting solar panels on the roof here at our CDC in Leicestershire, which even in February, when it's pretty dark and cold in England, will run over 80% of our operations sustainably. And in the summertime, well, it's going to be fabulous. So my next question is, straightforward answer, yes. We probably spend more time now talking to our customers about carbon footprinting and sustainability than we do even about the price of products. It's a huge agenda point,